Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 5 to Samsung device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now click I accept, choose Confirm, Continue and finally Allow. After that, click on Send on Google and Receive on Samsung. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will click on this one photo just for example. Click on Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can either input this password over here and select Receive or scan QR code. In order to scan this code, tap on the scanning icon on Samsung, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app. In this case, My Files. Select, in my case, Images and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!